Chastity 3. This is linked to chapter 25 Al-Furqan, verse 68.
And do not commit unlawful sexual intercourse. And whoever should do that will meet a penalty.
The true servants of Allah, the Exalted, avoid all forms of illegal relationships. The fact that adultery has been placed next to polytheism and killing an innocent person in this verse indicates its severity. Muslims should take precautions in order to avoid being tempted into illegal relationships. Firstly, they should learn to lower their gaze. This does not mean one should always stare at their shoes, but it means they should avoid looking around unnecessarily, especially in public places. They should avoid staring at others and maintain respect for the opposite gender. Just like a Muslim would not like someone staring at their sister or daughter, they should not stare at other people's sisters and daughters. Chapter 24 and Nur, verse 30.
Tell the believing men to reduce some of their vision and guard their private parts. That is purer for them.
Whenever possible, a Muslim should avoid spending time alone with the opposite gender unless they are related in a way which prohibits marriage. This has been advised by the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, in a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 1862. Muslims should dress and behave with modesty. Dressing modestly avoids attracting the glances of strangers, and behaving modestly prevents one from taking the initial steps, which could lead to an illegal relationship, such as talking unnecessarily to the opposite gender. Understanding the blessings of avoiding illegal relationships is another way to protect oneself from them. For example, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, has guaranteed paradise to the one who safeguards their tongue and chastity. This is confirmed in a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 2408. Fearing the punishment of being involved in illegal relationships will also aid a Muslim to avoid them. For example, faith will depart from the person who is committing fornication. This is confirmed in a narration found in Sunan Abu Dawud, number 4690. In reality, a Muslim does not need illegal relationships as Islam prescribes marriage. Those who cannot afford to marry should fast often, as this also helps to control one's desires and actions. This has been advised in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 3398. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.